Hey there! Looking to bring multiple people into a single call on your iPhone? Whether you're working on a project or just want to chat with friends, setting up a conference call is a breeze. Let me show you just how simple it is. First, start a call. Open up the phone app on your iPhone. Dial the number of the first person you want to reach. Once the call goes through, let them know you'll be adding more people soon. Add another call. Tap on Add Call on your screen. This will put the first call on hold. Dial the number of the second person you want to include. When the second call connects, hit Merge Calls to bring everyone together. You can repeat this to add up to 5 participants in total. Manage your conference call. During the call, if you need to speak privately with one participant, tap I next to their name, then choose Private. To remove someone from the call, tap I next to their name, then select End. Tips for a successful conference call. Make sure you have a strong cellular or Wi-Fi connection for the best call quality. Using a headset or earphones can help cut down on background noise. Let everyone know that you are adding someone new to avoid any confusion. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy calling!